Hey guys, so we have made it to the last day of our trip here in Calgary, but not quite the last day of our vacation or for our outing. We're not yet heading back to Grand Prairie, although I kind of miss my yard.
Not yet.
Not yet? We're actually heading to Edmonton to spend a couple days. So we're driving from Calgary to Edmonton, which is estimated it's going to be a 3 hours drive, but we're gonna break it up. We're gonna stop in Red Deer. We're gonna say hi to some friends for a little while. That's like an hour and a half drive from here, and then an hour and a half from there we'll be in Edmonton for a little while. So we're driving out from Calgary. What was Calgary like for you this time? Was it a good trip?
It was a good trip. Wish I had more time to do more things. Yes, I'm looking forward to coming back. Yeah.
So I know this experience is a little bit different than the last experience when we came to Calgary.
It was winter.
Yeah, it was winter. That's right. Calgary versus Edmonton, is it much different or?
No.
Not much different.
Not to me.
So would you move to Calgary or Edmonton?
The outskirts of each city. Yeah, not in the city.
Okay. For me, I think Calgary is still a little bit too big, if I'm being really honest. Edmonton is kind of like, it's more spread out. So it's more like a big city with a small town kind of vibe. But Calgary, you feel like you're in a big city, which I've gotten so accustomed to my medium/small city of Grand Prairie. So Calgary sometimes can feel a little bit much, a little bit overwhelming.
I don't like the driving though.
Yeah.
With both cities, the driving.
She don't like the driving, so funny. Passenger
like
princess.
Yes. I don't like driving for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes here or there. I don't like it. Yes,
baby.
We're going to a different
hotel. We're going to a different city, actually. We're going to Edmonton. Passenger princess doesn't like the driving.
No.
Anyways, guys, we're going to go to Tim's, grab a coffee. We're going to go to Superstore, grab some stuff for the drive, and then catch you guys on the flip side.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is
I may buy one juice for them. Or the coin. Oh, the coin are the next.
I didn't get it.
Alright, can I get a medium French vanilla, please?
Okay.
And also a medium peach quencher.
You want the lemonade sparkling or frozen?
Frozen.
Frozen? Sure. Anything else for you?
No, that's it, thank you. That's the thing with all of these franchise restaurants. Once you've been to one, you've been to all. So you know the menu. You don't have to, hey, what do you guys serve here? Hey, you get what I mean? It's just like you just go, you know what you like, you know what you want, grab and go. I love it.
You know what I mean?
Hey guys, just running in Superstore to grab some essentials for the road. Got some water, some chips, some juice, and some Pediasure, and a pack of wipes. Hopefully me repeating it allow me to remember everything that Nats asked me to get. So come along, guys. Guys, first things first, this Superstore is a lot bigger. A whole lot bigger than one in Grand Prairie. I don't know if I should. I think I'm gonna go over the pharmacy side for sure, but I want to take a peek of some of the provisions that they have here, if they have any like Jamaican provisions and stuff like that. Actually, as I'm here, I'm gonna grab some ripe banana. I'll probably get my 10,000 steps already for today by just walking around in this store. It's massive, guys. Okay. Found one of the main things that I'm looking for. $9.99 for each. Did say I need a pack of wipes just to travel with. Yeah, I got lost a while ago, guys. Like, I find myself walking around in circles. This place is massive. Anyways, I'm gonna cash and get out of here now. Go and get some gas, and then after Red Deer, and then after Edmonton. I kid you not. I might have got my full 10,000 steps for the day just in that store. Man, the place is big. Oh, listen. Yeah, guys, at gas station, about to fill up at the tank, but I want to see what's the cost of gas at this gas station. In Grand Prairie, it's $1.29 when I was leaving, and we haven't bought gas in Calgary until now. But I don't see the sign. I don't see the sign, guys. If I find out, I'll let you know. But I'll fill back the tank right now and I'll show you guys what that cost me. I have like a quarter tank remaining right now, so it's not gonna be a true reflection. It's not an empty tank.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little
The car is wash. Guys, we're literally on the run. Which is, I don't even know where we're at. Where are we? I don't know. But we are probably 45 minutes outside of Red Deer. So I'm gonna say we're in the county of Red Deer. Quick pee break. Malia wanted to pee, and also Nuts and myself, so to the bathroom I go. Come. And I got a TikTok also. Yeah, it was. Guys, we are back on the road. See you in Red Deer.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I
Wake up Malia there. And Malia move like. Oh, go on. Yeah? Yeah, man, how's it? Guys, so we're in a community that's called Black Falls. So Black Falls is 15 to 20 minutes outside of Red Deer. Connecting with some friends, subscriber who came friends. chill a little bit, and then after Edmonton we go. Any of us say thing up.
Everything, man.
Yep, thanks, man. Come in, man. Bush to take down, man. Nah, bush to take down, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You come change.
Then to tell me, say, when I come link with
Yeah,
you,
yeah,
they
yeah.
say, okay.
Oh, yeah.
They say, okay.
The place nice, man.
They say, only drive past me. And I come link.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, I'm taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again.
At this point, we're hotel hopping. So we are at our third hotel of our we call it vacation. Yeah. We're checking into our third hotel right now, guys. But this time we're in Edmonton, Alberta. So we're gonna take you guys around Edmonton as usual. But first, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take these two out the car because they are knocked out. We have our luggages right here, and then I'm hungry, so we're gonna have to go and get some food
Jamaican food.
as soon as possible. So let's go. I'll let you tell them what to do as I end this vlog, babes.
You ending it?
I'm ending it right now.
Why?
What do you? No. Tell them what to do. Tell them what to do.
Subscribe, like, comment,
Share.
share the good news.
And see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
just as you are.